You ever fly this thing?
Nope. BB-8, hold on!
Are the shields up?
I'm going low!
Stay low, it confuses their tracking.
Stay low. Got it. Great shooting!
Hey, keep setting me up and I'll keep blasting. This ship really moves.
Just wait till I get the compressor off the ignition line. Not bad. Not garbage.
I'm getting pretty good at this. Whoa, that one didn't sound so good.
We're too high, I know. Sorry.
Yeah, got him.
Can't believe there's a map to Luke Skywalker inside BB-8.
Yeah, the resistance. I mean, we really need that map.
Then we best get away from the First Order.
I'm sort of getting the hang of this. Ray, stay low. Try and fly lower than this. Who taught you how to fly?
No one. I've flown some ships, but never left the planet.
You're amazing. Whoa!
Sorry. We're too high.
You're gonna have to lose this.
Get ready.
Okay, for what? We're gonna go inside that downed Star Destroyer, aren't we?
It's fine. I scavenge in them all the time.
We aren't gonna blow a hole in that engine with these cannons. We need something more heavy duty, like a proton torpedo or something. Wait a minute. These ties might be carrying the proton torpedoes we need. The First Order TIE pilots are some of the best I've seen. We gotta watch out.
BB-8, you hanging in there?
There's some chance. They're right in front of us. You seem to know your way around this place.
I'm just guessing.
So you have no idea if you're heading to a dead end.
No, we're still alive, aren't we?
There they are. Woo!
You're okay. He's with the Resistance. Help me with this! Quick!
Between us, I'm not with the Resistance, okay? I'm just trying to get away from the First Order. But you tell us where the base is, I'll get you there first. Deal?
So where's your base?
Go on, BB-8, tell her.
The Ilenium system?
Yeah, that's the one. Get us there as fast as you can.